Tupperware failing?
It's good. The Tupperware is good. The Chinese freaking piece of crap parts.
Even the relay, wires burnt to the relay. The wrong gauge, perhaps?
Maybe.
Got some creative stuff going on here. What do you got going on here?
Just some heat shielding on the fuel rail. When we were down in Moab, we were trying to troubleshoot what the issue was because it kept overheating. But it ended up being the intake air temperature and not the actual common issue with the cylinders, 3 misfires and the fuel rail and all that stuff.
The tinfoil is pretty darn creative.
Yeah, I mashed it in there pretty good so it wouldn't fly out. So, you know, did something, I guess.
The electrical cable resting on your header is probably not too good, eh?
This is not used. It's good.
What is that for?
I have no freaking idea. It's never been plugged in.
Oh.
So probably for some AC shit, because this one doesn't have AC.
Probably should tie it off somewhere.
It's good here.
Let's get another look at that Tupperware. Everybody always asks about the Tupperware. Your waterproof setup here, as I showed earlier, the melted wires. Even that fuse, man, completely melted. But the fuse did not blow.
Nope.
But it melted.
Yeah, that's good Chinesium right there, man.
That doesn't make sense.
No, it doesn't. I can't even get this sucker off because it's melted in there too. So I gotta put a new freaking wire in this one and see if that melts.
It fused itself. Well, good day everybody. How's everybody doing today? I'm just loving the space inside my garage now. I'm gonna build a project that I got off Amazon. It's gonna be one of those things that are probably really stupid and not gonna work, but for the benefit of the doubt, I'm gonna give them a try. I'm gonna show you what I got. Promise, don't laugh too hard. I bought these aeration shoes right here that you just screw these spikes into the bottom with those straps and walk around in your yard. It's supposed to, you know, bust it up. Will it work? Will it be snake oil? We're about to find out. But before we start any project, we're gonna have a motherfucking beer time because it's been so warm out here. And believe me, I'm not gonna complain, especially after that winter we had. Some motherfucking beer time. What this is, you put the Milwaukee gun on the lowest setting. Well, they definitely work. It's time consuming. Straps are shit because one already broke first time out, but they do the job. Just takes forever walking in your yard in circles and circles again, circles again. Maybe with a 6-pack of beer it'd be alright. Gonna throw some lawn seed down, some fertilizer in the backyard. Maybe get the grass to grow. Tons of 57 Chevy parts laying around that gonna start listing online to sell. Well, this is a tight fit. Gives me something to think about. I got roughly, I measured it 4 feet from the bumper to where the toolbox is. And it's about 4 feet for where the garage door can close to the back of the truck. Those lights are gonna hit. It's a good thing I put a weather pack connection on those, and those lights are just held on by gear clamps, so they'll come off in like 10 minutes. Because if I want to do timing in my truck, the only way I'm going to get my truck to fit in the garage is to move the air compressor over for the time being and move my toolbox out of the way. That way I could work on it inside the garage and not have to worry about dust and contaminants and all that other kind of crap. I think it'll work out. Remember a while ago, can't really see, we're gonna put another clamp on that boot there. I'm gonna take care of that right now. Instead of doing it outside in the snow, I waited till it got nice out. Gonna try this new tool I got, and I got some clamps here as well. So the way I see it, there's 4 in there, 2 10-inch, 2 19-inch. I got some room to spare if I fuck it up. Before we get started, it's motherfucking beer time. It's been hot around here. Basically went from winter to summer. Cut her down. There's a zip tie right there that I used. There you have it. That was a pretty quick job. Took about 10 minutes. I ended up cutting the band a little shorter at the end. And hopefully it'll stay. The zip tie stayed, so I'm hoping this band will. We'll find out. We'll check it again in a few weeks, maybe a couple months. Trevor's got his wife's van. Apparently there's a lot of engine lights on. We're gonna scan it and see what the heck's going on. Keys to turn the ignition on. Wait for this thing to boot up. Oops. Oh, we'll see what kind of engine codes there are. Codes menu, display codes. Fuel trim system rich symptom. P0522 engine oil pressure sensor circuit low voltage. Oops. Engine oil pressure circuit high voltage. Low voltage. P01 fuel trim running rich. The anti-lock brakes saying C0040 right front wheel speed sensor circuit. We got a body module, we got a B2945 pass lock power fail. Short term and long term fuel trims are pretty good, but the old 2 sensors, one seems pretty constant and the other one seems to be dancing up a storm there. Look at the air fuel ratio, 1 to 1. Fuck, it should be like 14.7 to 1. I think Trevor, you should do your wife a favor and change the spark plugs in the fucking rear.
No. Trade it in.
I can do the ones in the front. Ones in the back. Fuck, remove the exhaust pipe or remove the coil pack from the top. Ugly. We're gonna troubleshoot it at a later date. I don't have any map sensor cleaner, just to start with the basics first and try to figure it out, but there's something definitely funny there with the O2 sensors. And who knows when the spark plugs were changed last. I asked him about that and he didn't know, and there's over 200,000 kilometers and could be a shit show. Nobody wants to change the spark plugs in the rear there. Oh, being inside the garage is so nice, it's so cool in here. It's the only time I enjoy the cold cement floor. I do have the power turned on the AC, but I haven't actually physically powered up the AC. But anyways, I get home from work today. On my doorstep is this big package from rockauto.com. I ordered a few things for the Jeep. Nothing too big, nothing too serious, but they sent me this. I think that package is way too big for what I got ordered, for what I want to get done on the Jeep. So let's have a look at what the hell they put in this box. All I care about is that better be a magnet in there. It's all about the fridge magnet. Really? bag of this stuff. So this is the timing cover set. I want to check the timing in the Jeep, especially after having the supercharger. This is the rear main seal set. I thought there's supposed to have been a tool that would push it along. What the hell is this? Oh yes, my manifold set, because I believe my headers are cracked, so we're gonna have to pull them out and have a look. And also oil pan gasket set. And Dana 30 front oil seals are also leaking. So that's quite a bit of projects right there. And there's my magnet to add to the fridge. Never mind, it does have the tool so it doesn't cut the seal. Get one shot of that, you screw it up and you're buying yourself another seal. Got a bunch of 57 parts that are ready to be shipped out tomorrow. Well, not shipped out, someone's coming to pick them up first thing tomorrow morning, because I'm going to Beer Fest. So I said, if you want them, come get them in the morning, because I'm going to be gone in the afternoon. And speaking of beer, I think it's motherfucking beer time. And to end this video, feel like something sweet, so you're gonna drink some Boxer hard root beer. All right, motherfucking beer time. The root beer is good beer. So just be patient. There's a lot of projects coming down the pipe. There's a lot of things I gotta fix, a lot of things I gotta repair on both the Jeep and the truck. And not sure, hopefully one of them is going to be going this year. I'm not sure if the truck's gonna be staying. I'm not sure if the Jeep's gonna be staying. It all depends on what I get first. If I can get a good deal on a Jeep JK to build, the Jeep TJ will be gone. If I can get the camper van or the all-wheel drive van this year, then the truck will go. Or who knows, maybe I'll win the lottery and they'll all will go. Anyways, I'm gonna get going. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. And I want to thank you guys for watching.